how to spam snaps on Snapchat. So if you want to spam snaps on Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, now if you want to spam snaps, then the first solution or the first way is to increase your snap score. So if you want to increase your snap score fast, then you need to go with the camera icon, which is on the bottom middle, and from here you can go with the drop down, which is on the upper right. From the drop down you will have multi-snap option. So here if you find a multi-snap, then you just need simply go and select multi-snap, and you'll be able to take a snap of at least 20 snaps at once. So tap on multi-snap and then take snaps, and as you can see that I've taken 20 snaps. And after taking 20 snaps, now you can go with the send option, which is on the bottom right, and select the person that you would like to send. So in this way you'll be able to increase your snap score fast, or that's how you can spam snaps on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.